Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am too obsessed with all of this hair that's happening. So I ordered a Pretty Party pony from this company called Pretty Party. It's the Pretty Party pony. I got the Ruby. I'll leave you all the information below and also a really fun discount code at the end of the video. So you got to watch the whole thing and you comment and you like and you subscribe to this channel. But also you need to see this ponytail in action to see if it's something that you can see yourself wearing, which I don't understand why you wouldn't see yourself wearing it because she's good. She's really, really good. She's good. She's good. She comes in a package like this in the mail. So exciting. And then she comes in her own little sash. So I really like this because, you know, you need to have places to be able to save your ponies. And it comes like that. Pretty Party. The evolution of beauty. prettyparty.com. Okay. So I just took a chance. I saw the Instagram ad. I saw the Facebook ad. It got me, especially with how easy it was because ladies, you're a mom, you don't have a lot of time, you want a Pretty Party pony just to be able to go to the dentist, to the doctor, to the parent-teacher conference, whatever it is, this might be for you. Let's roll right into this video so that I can show you how I put it on, how I fix it, and how I went from this to this. Her name is Ruby. I ordered her a couple of weeks ago. She came in. I didn't really get a chance to play with her much. I got excited about all this other Amazon hair stuff. Hope you caught my last video, which was about bangs and other little fun hair pieces on Amazon. No big deal. This is the one that you're gonna fall in love with. There may or may not be a discount code at the end of this video. You gotta watch the whole thing, especially because you need to see it in action, okay? She's really pretty. She's actually a really pretty party pony. Whoever named it is a genius because it's a pretty party pony. That's exactly what it is. So let's get right into this video. Watch how I put her on, watch her shine. This is the real length of my hair. It's very thick. I tried to flatten her as much as I could because these ponies are really meant for people with a lot less thickness of hair than I do. My hair is thick and coarse and frizzy and it's really hard to get it to look like normal hair. So if you have thin hair, this is for you. If you have unruly hair that you can just put in a top knot and just like plop this in and go, this is for you. Just wait until you see how beautiful it is. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get right into the video. Hit it. Okay, so here's my hair once more in its natural stage. Very short. My neighbor has decided to start cutting his lawn the time that I'm filming. Thank you. I'm gonna do a voiceover and I'm gonna put in the Pretty Party pony. She's 30 inches of gorgeous. Do you see her? What makes her very unique is the Style Flex technology bar that's here. You see this tip? It's very bendy. You can bend it any which way, wrap it around your ponytail. The bar goes about this. This is how long they've put the bar in. And then you have all of this as the ponytail. Now, it's really cool. I've never seen one on the market like this, so this is really neat, and I love that it's bendable and how long of a actual bendy bar that they give you in this. So let's just stop this and do this, okay? So here we go. All right, enough. So you take that bendy bar, the tip, you line it up wherever you want. You don't have to do it from the top, but that's just the way I chose to do it. But literally any which way will work. Okay, so now that I've got it secure and in the back there, you unite your own hair to the pony, and just like that, and then you take that bar and you start to wrap it around. It's really easy, moldable. Do that as many times as you want, and look, it's already coming together. It's literally easy. I'm tucking in the bottom, and once that part is done, it starts to come together. You just start to fix your hair in the way that it would look more natural. You start to tuck in all the little flyaways and all the things to just make it look amazing. Come on, you guys. This is a really pretty party pony. Okay, I can't get over it. I love it. It's so easy. It feels amazing. It's so lightweight. It feels like real hair. I just want to do this all day.
So personally, I think this would get you out of any bind if you have an outing or somewhere special that you need to go to and you just want to put your hair back in a ponytail. It's super easy. It took me less than 30 seconds. I'm going to insert some still photos and videos so that you can really kind of see her in action. So if you end up loving this as much as I loved it and you want to save some money, you can get 20% off by using my code, which is Deniece20 at checkout, okay? That gives you 20% off. So go look at their website, see which one matches your hair color the best. Maybe there's another ponytail that you want to use or that you like better. There's some curlier options or some other stuff. So use the discount code for whichever one you want. And remember to like, comment, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next week for another one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.